Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My origin is today is day 8 of my English speaking challenge. Today I am going to share with you about today's like what I am going to do today. So in the morning I woke up at 10 a.m. and after that got dressed and take my brush and after that make breakfast and take breakfast. After taking the breakfast I use my mobile phone and watch reels, videos, and check my email or updates. And after some times, one of my friends is come to the home, so we talk to each other and we enjoy the time. And after like one more friend is coming, so then we come. After that, they like in our room there are too many friends because I am living with my friends. So we all are talking to each other and enjoying and talking about past that is happening or what we are doing right now. And after that, I wasted my most of the time on my YouTube and today I was like 2 movies and today I watched TD that is very old movie. In this movie, they talk about like three friends which is very like very good in nature and they all are best friends. And after that, I like we go for outside area so that we can drop our friend to metro station so that they will take metro and go to their destination. And after some times, we go for a walk in nearest park, or you can say that jungle because park and jungle both are situated in one place and we wandering here and there and we saw too many peacocks in that jungle and every people is like doing their jobs. Some of them like jogging, some of them talking, some of them enjoying. Peacocks are enjoying because in afternoon that is happening. That's why today weather is cold and very pleasant and today the temperature is very cool. Today temperature is very normal and today we feel happy because of raining and when raining is happening there are too much cold wind is blowing. That's why we enjoy it. And right now after some time we are going to our dinner and after that we will take our dinners and talking to each other and go for bed for sleeping. In this way my whole day are going and if I am talking about my practice session, so today I did not do anything for my English practice, just I am recording myself right now, but I am doing little bit bad what I like. I I am doing or I am giving excuses that today is not day, and maybe my motivation went down. That's why I feel these things, and I am not able to focus on my English practice because when I feel good, I practice my English according to my plan. But some days I feel not then that day I am not able to practice my English as what I make a plan for that. Like my plan, reading, writing, speaking, and listening is included. But today I am just doing speaking. That's why I feel not good and not energetic because I done then nothing. I just wasted my whole time, and that's not the good thing for me. I want to change myself, but due to some circumstances, I'm not able to change. But I already taken a challenge. That's why I am going into the practice, and this will give me motivation to do everything. And when I and if I talking about today, I honestly I don't want to record my video today, but I think just for 5 minutes. It takes only 5 to 10 minutes. So I have to record and practice my English session so that I it will give me motivation and tomorrow I will do my best. That's why I am recording. So that's it about. Thank you for watching. See you guys.